So starting, first we learn the bounce movement. Maybe you can understand it.
Yeah.
So first we learned the bouncing movement, right? So the bouncing was two kinds of bounces. One was just this bounce, as if we do in the killers, and then the other bounce was this, which we do with the leg. Can you see my leg too? Right. So we just do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this bounce is included in most of the steps, and then the leaning. The second thing was leaning, and it's like leaning, holding the hand like this and leaning to the side, keeping our body straight and bending one knee and keeping the other leg straight. Okay. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, like this. There are different steps like this, which goes with that leaning. And then we learn the step and join. So it goes like step, then join, step and join, step and join, step and join. So it's the right leg, and right leg, right leg and left leg and right leg. When you do it with the bounce, it will be like right, left, left, right, right, left, left and right, right and left, left and right, right and left and right. That's the step and join thing. And then the step and cross will go like step and cross, step and cross. So step the right leg, cross the left leg in the back, step the left leg, cross the right leg in the back. So step and cross, step and cross. So when you go with the bounce, step and cross, 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 step and cross. You don't have to look at my hand, just do the leg. And then the cross and step will be, the next thing is cross and step, and that is like cross the leg, right leg in the front, and left leg away, then left leg in the front, right leg away. So cross and step with the bounce, cross and step, cross and step, cross and step, cross and step. That's the real. And then we learn the 1, 2, 3, this step, which goes with many dance moves. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and then taking the other leg and doing 1, 2, 3. Then first leg 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And the basic thing that we do is the front, back, front always. Then the other leg, front leg, back leg, front leg, back leg, front leg. And when we do it fast, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And there is different variations of that. Like without crossing, it goes like 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 for those steps. And then there was this coming up thing, sitting and coming up this step. So we have that. It's a variation of the leaning, but with going down and coming up, going down and coming up, going down and coming up, going down and coming up. That's one. And then today that's the steps that were the steps that we learned in the last class. And today we learned the passing movements. This 1, 2, 3. You can watch my feet, like it goes, passes the movement with the other feet. Then this feet comes in, pushes the other feet out. This feet comes in and pushes the other feet out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You have to stretch your leg all the way so that it's ending up on the toes. 1, 2, and 3, 4, like that. And the whole thing, the technique is, the mechanism is bringing the leg in like this, switching the leg movement to the other leg, pushing the other leg out. Bringing this leg, passing, and pushing the other leg out without movement for the top portion of the body. Just keep the movement below the hip, neutralize below the hip so that the top doesn't move. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the leg movement for the passing movement, leg passing basically. And then we learned a couple of steps for the next choreography, which was like this. The first step was like this one, which is a very common step with our Bhangra dancing and folk dancing and all. And it goes like moving forward with the right leg and bending back against the movement, and then coming back onto the feet, and then bending back against the movement again. We have the same thing. So it's like 1, 2, then 3 and 4. And remember to keep your feet coming, the back feet which is lifted coming against the front leg like this, and lean against and push the hip to the front. When you go back, push the hip to the other side again. Always push the hip to the outside and you bend your body to the inside. Push your hip to the outside and bend the body to the inside, okay? So you can keep looking straight or to the sides, that's fine. But try, for the time being, you just keep looking straight towards the audience and do this. And the hand crosses and just waves out, crosses and waves out. That is a step. And then we had this step with the hip and the hand moving. That step, we tried that. And it goes like, it's like a string which you are tying to the hip and pulling the string like this. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a different variation of the same movement with the hand on the top. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. For each beat, you push your hip to the side and bring it back. So when we alternatively do it, it goes like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And we add the head also with that, like 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With that little jump, you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And try to hold your hand like as if you're holding the drumsticks. So hold your hand like this when you're taking the hand over here, and try doing this. And did we learn any other steps? What was the last one that we learned?
This was the last
This was the last one, right?
Oh, this one, did we do that?
We did this.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah. So
Okay, that's the last one.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah, I think that's
Okay, that should be good enough.